Are you ready for an unforgettable night of worship, praise, and connection? Join us at Schoolhouse Worship on Friday, January 19th, starting at 7 p.m. Get ready to be moved by the Holy Spirit as the Hope Worship team leads us in a night filled with soul-stirring melodies and heartfelt worship. It's an event you won't want to miss. We have a special guest speaker, Pastor Gregg Simpson of Hunger Mountain Christian Assembly. This evening promises to be a celebration of faith and unity. What can you expect from Schoolhouse Worship? The Hope Worship team will be leading inspirational worship, offering a powerful and uplifting experience. And with Pastor Gregg Simpson delivering an impactful message, this night will uniquely blend worship and biblical insight. Remember, joy multiplies when shared. This event is open to everyone, so don't forget to invite your friends, family, and neighbors. Let's come together as a community and worship in the heart of Central Vermont. The venue is at the Church of the Crucified One in Moortown, Vermont, with ample parking available on site so that you can focus on the worship experience without any hassles. So mark your calendar for Friday, January 19th, and join us at Schoolhouse Worship. Let's unite in faith, worship, and community. We can't wait to see you there. See you at Schoolhouse Worship with the Hope Worship team and our special guest speaker, Pastor Gregg Simpson. Let's make this a night to remember together.